So I just got back from one of the best work trips I've ever had. And this wasn't a crazy destination, Hawaii, San Diego, Flagstaff. It was to go to an office building in the middle of New Jersey. And why I thought this trip was so cool and what I really enjoyed about the trip was that I was able to see what a bigger production looks like. Partnered with a production team to help solidify a video with people that were in person and people that were virtual. We had all of these different people on staff, more resources, you had more equipment. I think often what we fall into as videographers is that we see ourselves as, oh, they're so far ahead of me, or oh, they have all this equipment, or they're so much more advanced than I am. For me, I looked at it as inspiring. Instead of coming back from this trip as like, oh, I wasn't the primary videographer, I wasn't the person in charge, or I wasn't the lead producer, whatever it is, I utilized it as an opportunity to be like, oh, like, this is so cool. I'm gonna take so many things from being on set and hearing the conversations and what questions were asked and the setups. I mean, even just coming back, I bought a new cart because I'm like, wow, that cart was so much more efficient than the one that I had. But little things like that that's gonna help me advance in this career a lot faster, because I'm looking at it as I'm in this in the long run. I'm not going anywhere. I'm on a 5 to 10 year track. So what I need to do on my end is just continually get better every single day, and to take all the lessons that I learned from being on these bigger productions or being on these bigger sets and put them to good use. And that all begins right now. We'll see.